Well, it's the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. An exclamation came from down the hall.
"We have nothing for dessert."
Yeah, exactly that call. To it, somebody said in a reassuring voice,
"Don't worry, Taylor Cooks will sort it. What could possibly go wrong?"
So this is our final little job, and we've got a piece of pork. You can see that. We've got a piece of pork there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to butterfly it, fill it with stuffing. You saw the stuffing video the other day, so I'm going to butterfly this, fill it with stuffing, re-roll it, and then we're going to roast it off, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. Happy Christmas, everyone. Watch this video. So you see me do this before with the other video, but I'm still going to make the stuffing, so I'll just do it really, really quick. As I said to you last time, when you take a standard stuffing, we made our own on the other video, but if you take a standard stuffing, you can then tailorize it and make it exactly how you want it to be. So to do that, I'm just going to take a normal stuffing, because I used all my good stuff. Well, I've not used it, I've saved it for tomorrow. And then I'm going to just finely dice half an onion. You see me do this a million times, so we'll probably fast forward through this. There we go. Alright. And I'm going to add that to it. I'm not going to cook it this time, because the cooking will take place in the oven, because your pork is going to take probably 2 hours, I would have thought, somewhere around there. So let's get some mushrooms in. Exactly the same as what we did on the last one. There we go, some mushrooms in. Right, let's have a look at this leg of pork. That's a leg joint. Yep, £6. That's the cost of it, so that wasn't actually too bad, price-wise. First thing I want to do, I want to take off the string. That's the first thing I want to do, because we're going to butterfly this, and then we're going to re-roll it. So a little tip before we start re-rolling anything is have your string ready, and make sure you've got enough. Let's get this on here, like this, get our string roughly where we want it, and then what I want to do is to butterfly it this way. We've got to get this out this way and then rolled back in. So there's two ways you can do it. You don't want to cut it all the way through. And what I would do is go like that, halfway down, and turn the knife and start bringing it out like this. So we have our tailorized stuffing, which you saw me do. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to place it onto here like this. And this is so simple to do, and it adds so much flavour. This is Mrs. Taylor Cook's favourite Christmas Eve treat. She always has to have a sandwich just when it comes straight out of the oven. That's what we have. And then we have to re-roll it like this. Okay? On both sides. Right, there we go. Let's get the next one in. Push any stuff in that's coming out, like that. And then the fourth one, like I said, probably be that way. Okay, let's get my dish. Roll it on. And now what I want to do, you can see everything's nice there. It's a little bit of olive oil. And I want a whole lot of salt. Okay, that's now ready for the oven. And see what it looks like when it comes out. So we made it Christmas Eve. This is our pork. There's our stuffing. You've seen it. You've seen me do it. Couple of, well, there's more than one unsung hero, isn't there? Come here. This is Mrs. Taylor Cooks, who is the sous chef. Does all the shopping, tidies everything away, loads the dishwasher when I'm about to film, and eats all my food. From Taylor Cooks. Merry Christmas! Now get that washing up done.
You cheeky son.